What is up guys, Dan at the side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix or set your screen resolution in your Steam account or in your Steam game. So first, head over to your Steam application and then over to library and then click on home. After clicking on home, here you will see all the games that you have added to your library. So in whatever game you want to set the resolution to, just simply right click on that game and then click on properties. After clicking on properties, here at the launch options, you just simply need to clear it, and then first you need to enter your width by just typing dash w, and then in the square brackets you just need to enter your width. Let's say I want to give 1920 by 1080 pixels. I'll give the width as 1920 and then space dash height, or for height I will use edge, and then I will just click on 1080, and then I'll close this square bracket. And this is how you can set the resolution for any particular Steam game in your Steam account. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.